Yeah, this customer came in with a low noise coming from his vehicle. We wasn't sure where it's coming from, so we said we'll put out some jack stand, put it in drive, and probably just use our tools to determine where the noise is coming from, right? Especially when you go in drive, you're getting the loud noise. So let's see what we could do. Wait, then reverse. Wait, then drive. It sounds like it's coming from the transmission area, but as I said, I need to figure out, exactly where and what is making that noise. Right? But as I said, it's only happening when he's going in reverse. It sounds like, it's a bad fan motor. I mean, as I said, man, I'm just putting my tools out to see if we can figure it out. So I decided to put my noise scope on the rope and see where we could determine where that noise coming from. Right, so this is a stethoscope, basically a modified stethoscope with a pulse sensor on it, and let's put it on certain parts of the vehicle and see if we can determine where the noise coming from. Alright, take it off. Put it back in, Park. Put it in reverse. Yeah, this noise that's coming from this vehicle is very loud, man. It really sounds like it comes from the transmission. Put it back in park. Put it in reverse. Match the brakes and put it in park. Yeah, so I just modified my tool to basically help me narrow down pesky noise, especially where I can't figure out where it's coming from. So I hope you like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Put it in neutral. Put it in drive. Alright, match the brakes.